Greetings. My name is Billy Tebow. I am your student's third period CAP teacher. CAP is a career exploration course that backs up with New Mexico history. It's a semester course. If you are watching this video, then you've made it to the website. And so here is CAP class, important information that's on our website, just so that if you have questions, you can always start here. The schedule here is for the virtual for this semester, so for this whole class, we'll be doing everything online. As a result of that, the curriculum and instruction has moved to Edgenuity. This is just a more robust platform for students to be able to gain access to the information that they need. And so essentially how the class works is every day they check in at that schedule, and then we ask them to redirect to this online platform. They click login. As a student, they log in, and it has all the assignments pre-built in this online platform, as I noted, for them to complete. Now, there's certain progress that they need to hit each and every day, so it's important for them to make sure that they are doing their best with that to stay up. And they can work ahead. If they do get behind, that's okay. They just need to keep working forward. We will be posting grades for this class every week, and it's just based on their progress, where they are in the assignments that they've completed. And so it's important that you review the course syllabus here as well, which has some information about that and how things would work on that end as far as the grading, the different breakdowns of the different projects, assessments, and unit tests on Edgenuity. It breaks down the different units that they'll be doing as well. And so they need to just make sure that they're staying up on things. The grades weekly will really reflect where they are. If they have a passing grade, then it looks like they're on there and they're making progress with things. And I check in with them and make sure I do make any clarifications and connect them with anything that's missing within that platform. The other thing that's important is just to be able to contact me if you have questions. So here's my contact information here. Happy to reach out or reach out to you if you reach out to me if you do have any questions. We're a partnership in this to get the student through it. So please don't hesitate to let me know if you do have questions. Incidentally, in Edgenuity, there is a part where a parent can log in where you can track their progress. If you'd like to do that, you just need to shoot me an email to this information here, and then I'll get you set up on Edgenuity so that way you can track the students' progress as well, so that way you know where they are and how they're doing in the course. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great semester. I know it's an unusual semester, but we'll get through it. I'm here to support you and your student, and I look forward to the time that we have together here. Thanks.